Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got an exciting dental hygiene product to talk about. If you're a Sonicare toothbrush user or just looking for the best toothpaste on the market, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the details of Breath RX Whitening Toothpaste, so stay tuned to learn why it's a game-changer for your oral care routine. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at Breath RX Whitening Toothpaste. This toothpaste comes in a pack of 2, offering you not only superior dental care but also excellent value for your money. It's specially formulated with a blend of zinc, thymol, and eucalyptus oil, making it stand out from the rest. Just look at these sleek 4-ounce tubes. They're compact, easy to use, and perfect for daily use. Plus, they fit effortlessly into any travel bag or bathroom cabinet. Now, let's talk about what sets Breath RX apart from the competition. Enhanced whitening action. This toothpaste doesn't just clean your teeth, it also helps whiten them over time. Say goodbye to surface stains and hello to a brighter smile. Odor-causing bacteria killer. Breath RX is clinically proven to eliminate odor-causing bacteria. It's not just about masking bad breath, it's about addressing the root cause. Unique ingredients. With zinc, thymol, and eucalyptus oil, Breath RX offers a refreshing and invigorating experience with every brush. These ingredients help break up foul-smelling odors, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Now, let's hear what people who've used Breath RX Whitening Toothpaste have to say. Using Breath RX Whitening Toothpaste is simple. Just apply a pea-sized amount to your toothbrush. And brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes, making sure to reach all areas. Rinse thoroughly, and you're good to go. If you're interested in trying out Breath RX Whitening Toothpaste, you can find it on Amazon. And remember, it's not just the toothpaste, you can also explore other products like the Breath RX Antibacterial Mouth Rinse and Philips Sonicare Breath RX Antibacterial Mouth Rinse for a complete oral care routine. We've provided the links in the video description below for your convenience, so make sure to check them out. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best toothpaste to pair with your Sonicare toothbrush, or simply want a toothpaste that delivers on its promises of fresh breath, whitening, and superior dental care, Breath RX Whitening Toothpaste is a top-notch choice. Don't just take our word for it, the rave reviews speak for themselves. That's all for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep smiling with confidence, because your oral health matters. If you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next, leave a comment below. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.